Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be making keto oatmeal. This is one of my favorite easy go-to breakfasts in the morning just because it doesn't take a long time to make. You can make it in the microwave or on the stovetop, which is really nice. It's also very versatile, so if you don't have all the ingredients in this video, you can go to my blog post below in the description box and you'll find a lot of substitutions listed there. So if you don't have some of the ingredients, don't freak out. There probably is a substitution below, so just check that out. And then as for toppings and mix-ins, you can do anything you like. I'm gonna show you a clip right now of what mine turned out like. Hopefully you think it looks good. I like super thick oatmeal, so that's kind of how I made mine, but you can make it thinner, thicker, depending on what you want. You can use different milks in it, like almond milk, coconut milk, all sorts of things. Toppings and mix-ins, again, use whatever you like. This is just what I made. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys like this recipe and we're just gonna get into it. We're also gonna ignore the fact that there's sweet potato in my background. I know that's not low carb, guys, but I do eat some carbs occasionally. So anyways, they're there for now. We're just gonna ignore that. It's fine. But anyways, let's just get into the recipe. Here we go. Alright guys, so to make this oatmeal, the first ingredient you're going to want to add to your bowl is hemp seeds or hemp hearts. These are going to be the base of our oatmeal, and this is 3 tablespoons. Next you'll want to add 2 tablespoons of flax meal, and then 1 tablespoon of oat fiber, and if you don't have one of these ingredients, check my recipe below. I have substitutions for everything. Next you'll want half a tablespoon of ground psyllium husks, 1 tablespoon of monk fruit sweetener or any sweetener that measures like sugar, and then 1 tablespoon sucre and brown sweetener, or you can just use another tablespoon of regular sweetener. Now we'll just whisk that all up. Next, I'm just adding some cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon, and then also some walnuts. This is optional. You can add whatever mix-ins you'd like. And then we'll just give that a quick whisk again. Now we want to add our wet ingredients. So I'm using part heavy cream, part water for this, but you can also use almond milk, coconut milk, any sort of milk that you like. You can also add more or less depending on how thick you want your oatmeal. Totally up to you. I like mine quite thick, as you'll see in the video, so I don't add a lot. And then I also like to add a little bit of vanilla extract. I forgot to show that here, but it's really good. And then we're just mixing everything up again. Doesn't have to be perfect, just enough so everything is combined. Then we will pop this in the microwave for 1 minute to 1 minute and 30 seconds, and this is what it will look like when it's done. It's quite thick, as you can see the way I like mine. Now you can just go ahead and add your toppings. Right here I'm using walnuts, slivered almonds, some blackberries, and then I'll also add some strawberries as well. I usually don't make this pretty, but try to make it look good for the video. Lastly, I just like to sprinkle a little bit of Truvia granulated sweetener on top. I just like the little bit of added sweetness it adds. Sometimes I'll also sprinkle cinnamon. And this is what it will look like. You can go ahead and enjoy it hot, just like regular oatmeal. Or you can be like me, you can pop it in the fridge and it's totally fine later as a cold oatmeal dessert as well. And in terms of toppings, you can get super creative. You can add sugar-free syrup, peanut butter, like almond butter, any sort of butter. There's like different fruits you could add. You could try blueberries, you could try pecans, macadamia nuts, sunflower seeds, chocolate chips. You can find a huge list of topping ideas and mix-ins in my blog post below. But yeah, this is how I like mine. I also, as you'll see in the next clip, sometimes like to add a little extra splash of heavy cream on top. I just think it makes it super rich and creamy. It's really good. Overall, this recipe is so good, guys. I prefer it to regular oatmeal. I find it has more flavor, more textures. It's just more enjoyable to eat. It's also higher in fiber and protein, so it'll keep you fuller longer than even regular oatmeal would, and it's only 4 net carbs for the entire oatmeal. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you want more videos like this one. It really helps me out and helps me to grow my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks, have a good one, and bye.